Yo, I've been known to get these niggas on the run. You come in my hood, you get chewed up and spit out like bubble gum. We do this shit for fun, it's my hobby. With the gun, I fold you up, then leave you in the lobby. See, I'm the day and the night, I'm brighter than the light. You stupid enough to bring a knife to a gunfight. You must not love your life, so tell me how you wanna die. Is the gun or the knife? And I ain't having it, cause if you was a faggot, I had you jump from the pump like Roger Rabbit. Yep, like Roger Rabbit. See, they call me the problem. I'm better than a goon and a motherfucking goblin. Yep, see, they call me the problem. I'm better than a goon and a motherfucking goblin. Listen, see, compare me to you is like an ant to an elephant, and all that shit they talk is irrelevant. See, you think you can beat me, then they out they mind. I got the AK, the tech, and the Miller 9. I got name that'll chill a nigga's spine, and it's your boy Slime. See, I'm gonna get mine. I'm steady on my grind. And niggas talk shit cause their mouth is a toilet. My plans, you can't foil it. See, I'ma be the best when I'm destined to be. And niggas steady hating on me, but you could call me the problem. I'm better than a goon and a motherfucking goblin. Yep, they just call me the problem. I'm better than a goon and a motherfucking goblin. What they call me? Yep, he's the problem. He better than a goon and a motherfucking goblin. Yo, all his problems, he just solved them, cause he ain't listening better than them.